A rapidly changing Arctic. Insights from community-based observations in 2 coastal Arctic Indigenous communities. Presented by students Roberta Tuurraq Glenn, Elizabeth Mikuk Lindley, and Kimberly Kivuk Pickle. Community-based monitoring as a means of documenting environmental change is not a new concept. Indigenous people of Arctic Alaska have been living, monitoring, and passing down knowledge of the sea ice since time immemorial. However, in recent years, community-based monitoring has been applied increasingly by Western researchers in rural communities to document environmental changes in a changing climate. Coordinated community-based observing can document local narratives of environmental change and inform a broader understanding of a changing Arctic. The Alaska Arctic Observatory and Knowledge Hub is a long-term community-based monitoring effort which works with a network of Inupiat community observers in Alaska to document changing Arctic environmental conditions, including weather, wildlife, ocean and sea ice phenomena, and community activities. These observations from Indigenous knowledge holders across Northern Alaska coastal communities provide a broad-scale view of changing coastal conditions and ultimately impacts at the community scale. AAOKH supports communities across coastal Arctic Alaska. Here we share insights from 2 communities, Tikigaq and Utqiagvik. Observations from these 2 communities about their changing environment include extreme weather events such as flooding and erosion, seasonal cycle changes with impacts to subsistence calendars, and changing sea ice conditions, including more open water, thinner ice, unpredictable ice conditions, earlier freeze-up, and later breakup.